What's good, YouTube? Bobby Thrift back again with another video. Hopefully having a great day wherever you are in the world. We got about 15 minutes, so this will be once again another 15-minute challenge. We will start the timer now. Hopefully we can find what we need in here within this 15 minutes. We're gonna start over in the men's shoes, women's shoes, and go from there. I see they do have some racks going out. I've seen some over here. I've seen some going towards shoes also. But let's go ahead and dive in. Back shoe section. Of course, we'll only pull out the bangers. 15 minutes on the timer. Don't have a lot of time looking around. Okay, nothing there. Probably got some things in the hats too, but we came for the shoes. And look what I see right off the bat. These Curry 6s, I believe, right? 69 bucks. So when it comes to these, they want $50 for them, and everybody's asking for a pretty good price. Let me see what you guys think. Let's see, 120. Okay, let me back out. Let's get to it. We don't have too much time. Let's go ahead and just go straight to sold comps. Come on, come on. There we go. One result, 79 bucks. April 17th. $50 for potential 79, even though everybody else had it up for 100. That does seem very possible. Summertime, I think I can get closer to that 100 range. That looks like I might keep it. Let's go ahead and slide on over here to these. Okay, for these Adidas right here, it's not looking too promising. 94, 99, sold comps. See what's talking about there. 7 results. 80, 74, 32, 44. Not so good. These we will not be taking. We're gonna leave those behind. Let's go ahead and check out these Adidas just to see what's going on with these. If you guys have sold these before or picked them up, because they are, I guess, circulating in all the Rosses and stuff like that, let me know what your comps have been. Let's go ahead and check it out. Okay, so now moving on to these, which, like I said, are pretty different. 89, 129, 100, 100, 110, 150. These look promising too as far as what people are expecting to get for them. Let's see what people actually got for them. Ugh. April 20th it sold, April 19th, maybe because they're circulating around. What do they want for these guys here? $45. It's not enough wiggle room for me. I'm gonna leave those alone too. So we're down to these right here, and our timer says 4 minutes. Hold on, no. Okay, so you guys can see our timer says 4 minutes. Being that I'm trying to stick to the challenge, I will not be going through any other sections. I found a couple things already, I think, out of this column. I'm gonna keep these Currys too, and we're gonna get out of here. 15-minute challenge. If you have a lunch break, if you got 15 minutes before work, or you want 15 minutes to spare each day, you guys can just, this is some of the things you guys can find. Just know the section you're gonna go to that you wanna target, and just hit it crazy. And luckily for me, everything was here. So let's go ahead and check out and see what's going on with these other ones, as we got 4 minutes left. Next up, we got the Oswego. Like I said, like this galaxy type of print. So you guys can see right there, not so good. Don't even need to look it up to see what the comps are, because, man, my leg's getting tired. Because the ask was so low. And we're only going for a certain type of wiggle room, and for Amazon for the most part, unless it's a banger for eBay. And I mean, all these with no boxes, of course, are for eBay, but they have to be bangers. And February 21st, one sold for 109, but everything else has not been promising. We're gonna leave these two. Down to 2 minutes left. Let's go ahead and check this out. So these two we're gonna keep. I just have confidence. I know what I can do in that. That's a basketball shoe. It's kind of like the Grinch. We're gonna keep those. Let's go ahead and see what these Matrix K-Swisses are talking about. I'm telling you, these are pretty unique, man. The detailing of these are definitely fire and on point. Let me know what you guys think about these. Pretty fire. When I looked them up though, not the best. 74, 119, 79, 90, 120. Oh, actually, for 22 bucks, that's actually not bad. Not bad at all, actually. Not bad at all, actually. What am I talking about? Let's see what they sold for. 99, 89. Okay. I like that. April 1st for 99 bucks. Let's go ahead and snatch this up too on Queen for 22 bucks. And then these New Balances, as we got a minute left, let's go ahead and see what's up with this. So we got these New Balances right here, which do look pretty dope. They want $50 for them. But when I look, 54, 45, 69, not too promising, 84. We're gonna leave that alone. Looks like these are our 3 bangers today. So we're gonna walk into Ross right now. So they got some superstars right here, which are pretty interesting. I like the material on the stars. For the ladies though, if you're here looking for something for yourself, what about these Bounce? 59 bucks, a little pricey. This colorway is pretty dope. 49 bucks on these.